Hey guys, this is the first part of the series where I'm going to show you just how easy it is to build your own data platform with very little coding or SQL skills or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is build a platform on BigQuery using Google Sheets and Google Forms that basically will help measure the impact of a not-for-profit. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump into Google Cloud, and this is BigQuery. So I've already created a project called Impact Measurement Platform, but this is kind of your landing spot. I've also already created a few forms. So I've created a form that measures impact. So this here is just like a real dummy thing, just saying, this not-for-profit improves my life, how much you agree, and then some qualitative, describe how the not-for-profit impacted you. I've also created a whole data set, basically also very basic. It's basically a list of people, their quality of life before the not-for-profit, the number of things the not-for-profit provided, the cost, and then the impact of that. So the quality of life post-intervention, and then the outcome. And so that's just some dummy data that I'm going to import and show you how easy it is to import into BigQuery. So firstly, the reason you'd want to go into BigQuery is that then you can run all the different AI tools, you can build dashboards off the back of it really easily. So having your data in this kind of format is super easy and makes it super scalable. Okay, so now to add data, all you have to do is you click this Add Data button, then you go and click Google Drive. And here from Google Drive, all you have to do is go into this linked form. So I've filled out the survey a few times, copy the URL of the spreadsheet, go back in there, paste it in, make sure you select Google Sheets as the file format. Don't have to do sheet range. We're going to create a data set. So we'll say impact underscore data, and we'll create a new data set. Sorry, I've got to do it here. So I quickly created that impact data set. Now we'll create a table. We'll call it survey underscore responses, and then we'll click create table. Okay, so now I've created that table. And so if we refresh this, what you'll see in here, once it loads, is we've got this impact measurement platform. Now we have a data set called impact data, and within that we have a table called survey responses. And so if we go in here and we quickly query it, which means kind of search through it, you can do select star, so select everything. And what it'll do is show you the data that's in there. So you can see here, if we go into the results, here it's got all our data in there. So all of a sudden, we now have a database that we can connect anything to. I'll quickly do the same for the other set of data, and then I can show you the final bit. So while I paused it, I added in the other table. So now you can see in our impact data, we have survey responses with the survey responses, and we have the quantitative data. And so now we've got a ready-made database that can be connected into all these different things. One of the main things I use to connect to is a thing called Data Studio. And so with that, you can connect straight to and build build dashboards and all those kind of things. Another really cool thing is that you can directly link into all the different AI tools and different things within Google Cloud. So if you see on the left here, all the different services that Google Cloud offers, you can go through them all and you can seamlessly integrate them into this BigQuery data. So all of a sudden, you've gone from a spreadsheet that can't really be used it's used for many things other than what a spreadsheet can be used for, into something that can be fully integrated and can scale into a full platform. And so in the next videos, what I'll show is how you can then start to build integrations into this, maybe connect some AI into it, and build basically an end-to-end platform that can be used, in this case, to measure the impact of a not-for-profit. So I hope you found that video interesting. If it is something that if you have an idea, or if it's something that you'd like to do, reach out in the comments, give this a like, send me a message, because I'm always happy to help out, and I just find this stuff really cool. And I really just love that now the only real barrier to creating something quite impactful is the idea, because as you can see here, this required no technical skills, no coding, no anything, and you're able to build something really powerful.